Colonel Sanders is a name synonymous with fried chicken, but his journey to success was characterized by perseverance against the odds. At the age of 65, a time when most people would consider retirement, Sanders embarked on a quest to share his delicious chicken recipe with the world. His vision was clear, but the road ahead would be anything but easy. For Sanders, the first hurdle was gaining attention for his recipe. He traveled across the country, knocking on doors and pitching his culinary creation to restaurant owners and food enthusiasts alike. However, he was met with skepticism at every turn. 1,009 times his hopes were dashed by rejection. Each no felt like a weight on his dreams. Yet he pressed on, driven by an unwavering belief in his chicken's unique flavor and tender texture. The grueling journey taught Sanders valuable lessons about resilience and tenacity. With each rejection, he honed his pitch, adapting and improving his approach to connect with potential partners. He remained undeterred, fueled by the memory of family gatherings where his fried chicken was always the star of the table. This nostalgia reminded him that his recipe was more than just food. It was a tradition worth sharing. Finally, after countless attempts, one person said yes. That single acceptance marked a pivotal moment in Sanders' life, transforming his seemingly impossible dream into reality. This enthusiastic partner recognized the potential of his chicken, leading to the establishment of KFC. This brand would grow from humble beginnings into a global phenomenon, embraced by millions. Sanders' story does not just highlight the trials of a determined man, it sends a powerful message about the importance of persistence. More than 1,000 rejections could have deterred anyone else, but Sanders viewed each challenge as a necessary step on the path to his success. His resilience and unyielding spirit serve as an inspiration for entrepreneurs and dreamers everywhere. The legacy of Colonel Sanders reminds us all that rejection is not an end point, but rather a part of the journey towards achievement. From the cusp of retirement to the heights of culinary fame, his story is a testament to following one's passion, no matter how daunting the obstacles may seem. Today, as we enjoy a bucket of KFC, we also celebrate the indomitable human spirit that turned one man's dream into a global treasure.